1 Minute Russian, Lesson 3.
Hello, and welcome again to 1 Minute Russian, where you can learn Russian 1 minute at a time with me, Anne. We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Russian. My guess is that everyone you speak to will be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Russian in Russian is rúski. Let's repeat that. Ruski. Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again. Ruski. To say that you speak Russian, you say Я говорю по-русски. Listen again. Я говорю по-русски. One more time. Я говорю по-русски. We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I speak a little Russian. In Russian, a little is немножко. Try this again. Немножко. So putting this together with Я говорю по-русски, you would say Я немножко говорю по-русски. Listen to this again. It's quite tricky. Я немножко говорю по-русски. Excellent. Try it one more time. Я немножко говорю по-русски. Time's up, but I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Russian-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. That's all for today. Спасибо и до свидания.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.